Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Ellen. Are y'all a fan of cinnamon sugar? Well, I got a treat for y'all. Today's recipe, I'm going to share with all of y'all some homemade Snickerdoodle cookies. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and they're loaded with cinnamon sugar. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. And when you bite into them, you'll be in heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Southern Fried Green Tomatoes. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your cinnamon sugar, your flour, and your baking pan's sugar, because we're about to bake some Snickerdoodle cookie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. We need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, so we're going to use my 1 cup measurement, and we're going to fluff it up. And we're going to level it off. And voila, perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my large bowl and sifter. Now we need another cup, again fluff it up. And level it off. Another perfect cup. 1 more cup. And that's our 3 cups. And into our flour, we're going to add in our spices and leavenings, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of table salt, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl using an electric hand mixer, we're going to add in 1 cup, which is 2 sticks, or 16 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened. And into our butter, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. And make sure you scrape the bowl occasionally. Alright, my friends, to our butter and sugars, we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add them in 1 at a time, beating after each egg. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. That's a cupful. And mix that in until it's well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Add it in a little at a time. Alright, last of the flour. Mix until it's well blended. Be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is complete. See how nice and thick that is? Perfect. I can smell the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Smells wonderful. Also, if you're a beginner baker, this would be a great recipe to make. So now we're going to cover the bowl with plastic wrap. We're going to place the cookie dough in the refrigerator, and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour. In the meantime, let's make our cinnamon sugar coating. In my small bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And mix these together until they're well incorporated. And our cinnamon sugar coating is complete. How simple and easy was that? Let's check on the cookie dough. All right, my friends, the cookie dough is nice and chilled. Excellent. Now it's time for the final step. So we're going to use my cookie scoop, and we're going to take a dollop of the dough, and we're going to roll it into a ball. Now we're going to dunk it into the cinnamon sugar coating, like so. Just like that. And then we're going to place it on my 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper. And just repeat the process. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got all my cookies together, and this recipe makes 24 cookies. We are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 12 minutes, and I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Just taking my cookies out of the oven. See how nice and puffy and golden brown they are around the edges? So now I'm going to let my cookies rest in the pan for 10 minutes, and then I'll plate them up. All right, my friends, there you have it. Snickerdoodle cookies. Doesn't that look good? And we made them completely from scratch. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I got my plate right here, and I garnish mine with some cinnamon sticks. And of course, you can't have cookies without a good old glass of cold milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cookie. Beautiful brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Look at this texture. Soft and chewy. Could taste the cinnamon sugar. Oh, ain't nothing like Snickerdoodles. These are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Snickerdoodle Cookie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and much love.